Have you ever wondered how Indian cuisine, known for its rich diversity and mouth-watering flavors, evolved over the years? How did it transform from simple, wholesome meals to the complex, spice-laden dishes we relish today? Let's embark on a culinary journey that spans centuries. Our story begins in the Indus Valley Civilization, around 4,000 years ago. A predominantly agricultural society, the Indus Valley people primarily consumed grains, lentils, and dairy products. The use of spices was minimal, restricted to turmeric, ginger, and garlic. The concept of sattvic food, which is pure, clean, and vegetarian, was prevalent during this period. Fast forward to the Mauryan Empire, where we see a significant shift in food habits. The influence of Buddhism and Jainism led to a decline in the consumption of meat, while the use of fruits, vegetables, and grains increased. This period also saw the introduction of new techniques such as fermentation and preservation. The advent of the Gupta period brought with it a wave of culinary experimentation. The use of spices increased, and people started to consume more diverse foods, including meat and seafood. The Gupta period is also credited with the introduction of thalis, a concept that involves serving a variety of dishes on a single platter. The Mughal era, which followed, had a profound impact on Indian cuisine. Mughal cooking techniques, such as marinating meat in yogurt and slow cooking in sealed pots, were incorporated into Indian cooking. This era gave birth to iconic dishes like biryani, kebabs, and korma. The British colonial period brought European influences into Indian cuisine. It led to the creation of new dishes like mulligatawny soup and chicken tikka masala, which combined Indian flavors with Western cooking methods. In the post-independence era, Indian cuisine began to reflect the diversity of its people. Every state, every community began to showcase its unique culinary traditions, leading to an explosion of flavors and cooking styles. This is also the period when Indian street food gained popularity, with dishes like pani puri, vada pav, and samosas becoming ubiquitous. In the 21st century, Indian cuisine has taken a global turn. Indian chefs all over the world are blending traditional Indian flavors with international cuisines, creating a fusion that is both exciting and delicious. From Indian-style pizzas and burgers to gourmet versions of street food, the possibilities are endless. To summarize, the evolution of Indian cuisine is a tale of cultural exchanges, invasions, religious influences, and regional diversity. It began with simple, wholesome meals in the Indus Valley Civilization and has evolved into a culinary mosaic that is as diverse as the country itself. From the use of basic spices and grains to the creation of fusion dishes that blend Indian flavors with international cuisines, Indian food has come a long way. It is a testament to the country's rich history, cultural diversity, and culinary ingenuity. So, the next time you savor an Indian dish, remember, you're not just enjoying a meal, you are partaking in a culinary tradition that spans thousands of years.